Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Valorant. Please close other Riot Games products before signing out problem. Our first solution is to simply log out of the Riot client, double click on the Riot client. But if you can't find Riot client, right click on the Valorant and click open file location like this. Then click on the UX folder, double click on Riot client UX located here. In this way, the Riot client will open. After opening, click on the account icon in the upper right. Then click sign out. In this way, we have logged out of the account. This was first solution. But this solution is temporary solution. Let's move on the permanent solution which has two steps. Our first step is to clear Valorant's cache data. To do this permanently, follow this video until the very end. So let's move on the second step. You have to press Window plus R key at once. In this window that opens, we write app data and click OK. Then click on the local folder, go to the letter R and double click on the Riot Games folder like this. Now we delete the install Valorant, Riot client and Valorant folders here. Don't worry, these files will be restored when we re-enter the game. Now our second step is to delete Vanguard. We write control panel in the search section and just open it. Click on uninstall a program. We find Riot Vanguard among our applications and right click and then click on uninstall. We click yes. As you can see, Riot Vanguard has been removed. Click on Valorant. Here the Vanguard that we just deleted and the files we deleted in the first step are downloaded. After Vanguard is installed, we need to restart the computer once, and that is rebooting, and we will not encounter this problem again. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.